Just take it down to what we just built.
What? Are you serious?
I hope we don't get any more revisions. Our budget is out of control.
Just gotta power through it.
I've powered through this headache for 20 years. Tell me there's a better way.
Well, I guess we could cut back on logistics, construction waste, pollution, man hours, turnaround time, and headache by not building on site. And by using a modern design program that spits out drawings in the blink of an eye.
Well, that sounds incredibly untraditional.
So, you gonna catch the game tonight?
Nah, I ain't off the clock until we get those new plans.
Yeah, we should probably do some research on prefab and automation.
I'm already on it.